The new 7th generation Jetta is out, completely redesigned and focused on better fuel economy, more interior room, and better value for the money. But if you were hoping for the usual Jetta handling agility, well, it's no longer a standout. The Jetta's turbocharged 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine does a commendable job, making the Jetta feel energetic right off the bat. And the 8-speed transmission shifts smoothly, although it tends to prefer higher gears in order to optimize fuel economy, giving the impression of being lethargic. Sadly, unlike previous Jettas, which were taut and agile, the new one is a bit dull to drive. The steering is appropriately weighted, though not particularly quick or brimming with feedback. On the track, the Jetta didn't shine, but at least proved secure. The ride is comfortable thanks to the compliant suspension that absorbs most road imperfections well. Inside, we found that the car's build quality is solid, but most of the materials won't make you think you've landed in an upmarket model. Silver and glossy black trim around the instrument cluster, center display screen, and climate control system are nice touches. The perforated leatherette seats feel stickier than the regular leather in hot weather. They're mostly comfortable, although they lack a lumbar support adjustment. The rear seat is quite roomy. Visibility is good all around, with unhindered outward views. Windshield pillars are slim, side glass areas large, and the large back pillars are slender. The controls are a model of clarity. Every switch and button is easy to find. A 6.5-inch touchscreen is standard, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Forward collision warning, low-speed automatic emergency braking, and blind spot warning are standard on all trims except the base model where they're optional. For more on compact sedans, check out consumerreports.org.